Hello and welcome to a very Halloweeny episode of A Sustainable Life. My name is Avignia and today I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. So, as you all know, Halloween is coming up and I'm really excited. Let me know in the comments below if you're a Halloween fan, because I certainly am. I always throw a party every single year for my friends for Halloween. We get dressed up and we play fun haunting games and it's really, really awesome. So I wanted to find another recipe that I can use for my arsenal of very Halloween themed treats. And today I found a very fitting dessert, and that is pumpkin black bean brownies. I know, it sounds amazing. And I love everything pumpkin around this time, and I love everything chocolatey always. So today I wanted to see if it was any good. One sustainable tip that I can offer you is when you're trying a brand new recipe, always try and have it or quarter it before you make the whole entire thing, because you don't necessarily know on first glance if you're going to like the taste of it or if you're going to like the texture of it. So try and just make a smaller quantity at first so that there's no waste at the end and you don't end up using your stomach as a trash can either. So just to like gulp it down just because you made so much of it. So I end up doing that sometimes. But in all seriousness, try and have the recipe. I'm going to be linking it below. It's Tastemade's recipe for pumpkin black bean brownies, which actually sounds like a treat and a trick, right? I mean, it's pretty healthy, and it's also a treat because it's nice and sweet. Well, luckily, all we have to do is throw everything into a food processor. My food processor is a little bit small, but I think I can work with it. So let's begin. Here I have some black beans. As I said, I did have the recipe. Some of the pumpkin puree, vanilla extract, cinnamon and nutmeg, apple cider vinegar, coconut oil, melted, oats, rolled oats, maple syrup, and cacao powder or cocoa powder, and a little bit of salt. Let's blitz that up. Oops, I forgot the baking soda, but we can do that now. So I think that the consistency is pretty good at this point. Folding in some chocolate chips now. And at this point, I'm going to be preheating my oven. It's just something that I do. I kind of wait a little bit just because I know that most of the time, while finding all the ingredients, kind of getting everything incorporated and mixed in, I do take a little bit longer than, just at the start of the recipe. It's better to wait a little bit, just so that you're not unnecessarily leaving your oven to run at such a high heat for no reason at all. So I like to start it a little bit, maybe like midway into the recipe or before I'm about to scoop it into the pan. That's when I actually preheat my oven. And since I am having the recipe, I like to use a small Pyrex dish and a little silicone, like a silpat mat, and I just kind of like fit it in this way like this, and then I pour in my batter, my brownie batter. See how that goes. It looks a little dry to me, but maybe it's gonna be delicious. Who knows? I'm excited to find out. So I'm gonna just flatten this out a little bit. By the way, if you don't already own a silpat mat like this, I highly suggest you get one because they're so versatile and they're so great for roasting. I mean, I just use them all the time for roasting veggies, for making cookies, brownies, whatever it is. And it's a lot cheaper than having to constantly buy parchment paper. So if you don't already have one, you should definitely get one. All right, there's my oven, and I'm just going to sprinkle on the dark chocolate chips. Time to get this in the oven. Wow, actually these look ridiculously fudgy. I am so excited. Oh, baby. All right, guys, time for the taste test. Oh my God. The texture is seriously fudgy. The taste, let's just say, I can't really taste the pumpkin. Even though I don't eat that much like sweet, I feel like it's a little bit lacking. I'm getting a lot of the chocolate flavor, but not even a little bit of the pumpkin. If I had to make these differently, I probably would have maybe even just used a little bit of pumpkin spice, just because I have plenty of it, and why not? It is good for a sweet treat though, especially because it is healthy. Not like your regular run-of-the-mill brownies. At least these have some protein in them with those black beans, right? Pretty good. First attempt, I'd say pretty good. But I think I would add a little bit more sugar, to be honest. Am I bad for saying that? I want more sugar. If you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. If you've ever made black bean brownies, let me know in the comments below and tell me how you like them. If you would like to see more videos like this, let me know, because I would love to experiment. I always experiment in my kitchen, so if you have any vegan recipes that you would like me to try, let me know, and I would be happy to do that. And if you like my channel, please subscribe and hit that notification bell next to it so that you get notified every time I post a new video. I'm trying to work on my schedule, and I think I'm going to be doing every Friday. So stay tuned. Till then, bye. Or shall I say, boo. Okay. I think I'm getting carried away here. Bye.